Hello everyone. I know that you are all are very excited to know about the new chapter. So today we are going to start the new chapter 8, which is decimal. And you have already learnt about this in your previous classes also. So let us see what is decimal here. When we use dots to write some numbers, then that dot is called decimal point. This is used to show the part of a whole number. Let us see that one example 0.5. What is dot here? Dot means decimal point, and this is whole number, and it is a part of a whole number or which is represented by a fraction. So 0.5. So decimal number can be say as that it is defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. So here whole number means a complete number. So 0 is a whole number and decimal it is a decimal point and 5 is a fractional part. The dot in a decimal number is called decimal point. So let us see that Manoj and Sudhir went to the market to buy some books. Manoj had 10 rupees 75 paise and Sudhir has 9 rupees 50 paise. And they both also know that how to write rupees and paises using decimal. So Manoj has written that I have rupees 10.75 and Sudhir said that I have 9 rupees and 50 paise. We know that paise are smaller than rupees, so we will write in decimal after the decimal point. So 10 rupees 75 paise and that Sudhir has 9.50 paise. So we know that what does the dot represent here? Decimal point. So in this chapter, after this we will learn about more about the working of decimal. How does it work? So let us see its place value 10th. That Mala and Molly represent the length of their notebook. Mala's notebook was 8 centimeter 5 millimeter long and that Molly's notebook was 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter long. Now we have to express the length of this notebook into decimal. So we know that the unit that 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter. It is given for 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter and we have to find for only 1. So it will be equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, or we can write it as 1/10 or 0.1. So this fraction we have changed into decimal. And how to change? Here see in denominator how many zeros are given? Only 1 0. So that in numerator after one number you have to put decimal point. So this can be written as 0 by 1. 0.1, or we can read as 1/10. As we know that 10 it can be written as tens, but if it is 10 is given in denominator, so we'll write it as tenth, TENTH, and this is the way how to write in words. So 1 by 10 can be read as 1/10. 1/10 as it is given in denominator, so we'll write it as with TH, or we can change into decimal as 0.1 centimeter. So using this we'll find the length of Mala's notebook 8 centimeter 5 millimeter. So we have to change into same unit. It means 8 centimeter and 5 also in centimeter. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 5 millimeter will be equal to how much? 5 upon 10. If you want to change from millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide that number by 10. So here 5 millimeter is given, so we'll divide 5 by 10 and it can be written as 0.5. Here in denominator how many zeros are given? 1 0. So you have to place the decimal point after the from the back after one number. So it can be written as 0.5. So the length it will be how much? Now see 8 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter. So we'll add it as, if we add it, it will be as 8.5 centimeter. And how to add? 8 means 0.0 and 0.5 means 0.5. You have to put the decimal after the decimal. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल लगाना है. 8 सिंपल दिया है इसलिए हम इसके पीछे क्या लगा सकते हैं? 0.0. तो 0.8. So 8.5. In the same way we'll find the length of Molly's notebook 9 cm 8 mm. यहाँ पर 9 ऑलरेडी सेंटीमीटर में दिया है लेकिन 8 मिलीमीटर में, तो पहले हम 8 मिलीमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे. हमें पता है कि 1 मिलीमीटर होता है 1/10 सेंटीमीटर, तो 8 मिलीमीटर कितना होगा 8/10। डिनोमिनेटर में कितने ज़ीरो दिए, एक ज़ीरो, इसलिए हम न्यूमरेटर में जो भी नंबर है उसमें सिर्फ एक नंबर के बाद हमें क्या लगाना है, डेसिमल। सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 0.8 सेंटीमीटर। अब you can see that 9 centimeter and 0.8 centimeter. If we add, it will be as 9.8 centimeter. So in this way we can represent any unit in different types of unit. Then see, let us recall what we have learned here, that we have show units by blocks. Then one unit is one block and two units are two blocks, and so on. And if one block is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is 1/10 or 1/10 of a unit, or two parts are 2/10, and so on. So here block, you can see that this one is one block and it is shown by 1 unit. It means one block is equal to 1 unit. So this is a 1 unit and it is also 1. So 1 plus 1 means 2 unit. And here it is given that, and it is divided into how many equal parts, 10 parts. And if we take only single part, so it can be written as 1/10. So how many parts are given here, 1 2 3, it means 3/10. Now we have to write in its place value. So 1 plus 1 means how many ones are given, 2. 1/10, how many parts are given, 1 2 3. So here it will be 3. It means it can be written as 2.3. To complete 3/10, it means 0.3. So 2 plus 0.3 means 2.3, or you can write it as 2.3 here. Like this it is given. The same second example, here 10 small boxes or 2 tens. How many boxes are given, total 10. So here 10, 10 plus 10, 20. How many are 10 plus 10, so which is equal to 20, plus how many box, 1 2 3, or only 1 is given here. Here how many are, 10 are given, but here in place of 10 only 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 means total 3. And here the value of one box is 1/10. So how many boxes are there, 1 2 3 4, it means 4/10. So using this you have to write in this box. So tens, how many tens are there, 20. Here 20 is given and we can write it as 2 multiply 10. It means how many tens are there, 2. Ones, how many ones, 1 2 3, so right here 3. And 1/10, here the value of each box, यहाँ पर हर box की क्या value, 1/10, और कितने हैं ये, 1 2 3 4, so right here 4. So it can be written as 23.4, or we can read as 23.4. Then see that how to represent decimals on number line. We know that number line means the line on which we will represent by number. So we know how to represent fractions on the number line. Already we have learned, but we will see how to represent decimal. So let us represent 0.7 on the number line, and we know that 0.7 is more than 0, but it is less than 1. So there are 7 tenths in it. 0.7, what is the meaning of 0.7? Means 7/10, means out of 10 parts, how many parts we have to take, 7 part. तो हमें नंबर लाइन को कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है, 10 में, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, और 10 पर क्या लिखना है, 1. एंड हियर हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स आर गिवन, 7. सो वेयर विल बी द 7 पार्ट, यहाँ पर 7th नंबर वाला, तो so that will be 0.7. Nothing you have to do. First of all, you can see that 0.7, it is given as 10th. It means you have to divide नंबर को कितने 0 और 1 के बीच में कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना, टोटल 10 पार्ट में. यहाँ पर 7 दिया है तो 7th वाला पार्ट क्या होगा, 0.7. So then see the next topic, representation of decimal in a place value chart. How to put the decimal in place value. Place value means ones, tens, 100, like this. So 8 ones means 8 into 1 plus 7 tenth. Here tenths is given, it means 7/10. So 8 plus 7/10. So write 8 plus 7/10 means 0.7. So it can be written as 8.7. Then next 4 tenths. 4 tenths means 4 multiply 10. which is equal to 40. Then 5 ones. 5 ones means 1 is given, so 5 into 1, 5. 6 tenth. 6 tenth means 6 by 10. It means 0.6. After changing, you have to add this all this number. So 40 plus 5, 45 plus 6 by 10, 0.6. So how to add 45 and 0.6? 45 में कुछ भी डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं दिया गया है, तो हम इसमें कैसे लिख सकते हैं उसे 45.0, और 0.6 हमें क्या लगाना है, डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल, और फिर ऐड करना है, तो 0.6.5 और 4. सो आंसर क्या होगा, 45.6. नाउ लेट अस सी हाउ टू प्लेस दिस इन डेसिमल, दैट place value chart. So place value chart, write hundreds, tens, ones और tenth. प्लेस वैल्यू कौन कौन सी होती है, जैसे कि 87 है, सो इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू वंस एंड इट इज़ टेंस. अगर 187 होता तो इसकी वंस, टेंस और ये वाली होती है हमारी हंड्रेड्स, बट इट इज़ गिवन इन डेसिमल. सो आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू स्टार्ट, 1/10, देन 1/100, देन 1/1000. जैसे वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड स्टार्ट होता है, वैसे ही इसमें क्या होता है, टेंस, TH, हंड्रेड्स और थाउजेंड्स होगा, THS. सभी में THS लगा, इसका मतलब है कि 100, 10 और 1000 कहाँ होगा, डिनोमिनेटर में. सो आफ्टर डेसिमल द प्लेस वैल्यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1/10. सो हियर इट इज़ गिवन 8.7. सो 8 प्लेस वैल्यू विल बी वंस, सो राइट हियर 8, और सब प्लेस पर क्या आएगा, 0.7. सो फर्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होती है, 10th. तो यहाँ में 1/10 का 7 कहाँ लिखना, 1/10 के नीचे. सेम ईयर 45.6. सो प्लेस वैल्यू विल बी वंस, टेंस. सो राइट हियर एट टेंस 4, एट वंस 5 एंड 1/10 मीन्स 10th प्लेस इज 6. सेम 785.9. 785.9. So its place value is ones, tens, hundred. So right here 107, tens 8 and 5 ones, and 0.9 after 9 it will be 1/10th one. Then see the next one, fractions and decimals. How to represent any fraction with decimal. We know that fraction means which contain both numerator and denominator. So fraction with the denominator 10 can be represented using decimal. So first question it is given, for example 38/10. How to represent into decimal? As you can see, how many zeros are given? 1 0. So from the back, पीछे से हमें एक नंबर के बाद क्या लगाना है, डेसिमल. So directly we can write it as 3.8. If any number 17/5, here you can see the denominator 10 is not given. So there are two type of method. You have to change the denominator into 10. हम डिनोमिनेटर को किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं, 10 में. तो किस 5 की जगह हमें 10 लाना, तो किस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 से. तो हम उसी नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर में भी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 17 2 ज़ा 34/10. नाउ 34/10, दिस कैन बी राइट एज, here 1 0 is given, so after one number you have to put decimal point, so answer will be 3.4. So this is the first method to change numerator denominator into 10. Or second method, there is one more method. Directly, what is the meaning of 17/5? इसका क्या मतलब है कि 17 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. So 5 3 ज़ा 15, then 2. Here no any numbers is given, so you can add 0 और यहाँ पर पॉइंट लगा सकते हैं. Then 5 4 ज़ा 20. So answer is 3.4. You can see the answer came equal only. So there are two type of method. First of all, you can change that denominator into 10, or directly you can divide 17/5. Answer will come equal only. So we have seen how to change from fractions to decimal. Then next, how to change from decimal to fraction. Decimal as fraction. Decimal means 1.3 is given. So remove the decimal point. You only have to count that after decimal how many numbers are given, one number. So how many zeros will come, 1 0. So you can write 13/10. Nothing you have to see. हमें क्या देखना है, जैसे यहाँ पर दिया है एग्जाम्पल 3.7. डेसिमल के बाद कितने नंबर दिए, सिर्फ एक नंबर है, तो कितने जीरोस आएंगे डिनोमिनेटर में, ओनली 10. So we can write it as 37/10. So in this way we can change from decimal to fractions. So you can see that 34.7, the place value is 4 is ones, here tens, और इसी place value क्या होगी 10, and this one is known as decimal point and we can read it as 34.7. We have seen all the concept. Before we will start our exercise 8.1. So let us see question number 1 of exercise 8.1, that write the following numbers in given table. Here tens, ones, tenth, it is given with place value. So tens. So see how many blocks of tens are given. Total 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. It means tens. यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स का क्या मतलब है, कितने ब्लॉक्स है इसमें, एक ब्लॉक्स में 10 कॉलम्स है, तो 10 10 10, सो 10 + 10 + 10 विच इज इक्वल टू 30. या फिर डायरेक्टली हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स की क्या वैल्यू दी है टेंस. सो हाउ मेनी बॉक्स आर गिवन 1 2 3, इट मीन्स 3 टेंस. वंस, हाउ मेनी वंस, ओनली 1 वंस. हाउ मेनी टेंथ, 2 टेंथ, मीन्स 2/10. सो हाउ टू राइट दिस वन, you can see in that one box is already given. So in first one, how many tens are given? 3 tens. So right here 3 tens. Ones only 1 and tenth 2. So in place of ones write here 1 and tenth 2. So using this you have to fill this table. Same in second one, hundreds. How many blocks of 100 is given? Only 1. Tens also 1. And this for tenth, it's given how many? 4. So in place of 100 write here 1, tens ones, and there is no any blocks of ones is given. यहाँ पर वंस का कोई ब्लॉक नहीं दिया है, इसलिए यहाँ पर क्या आएगा 0. और टेंथ के 4 ब्लॉक्स दिए, तो यहाँ पर लिखना है हमें 4. लाइक दिस ओनली यूजिंग दिस नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स यू हैव टू फिल दिस टेबल. देन सी द नेक्स्ट वन, you write the following decimal in place value chart. We have to write this in number in which chart? Place value chart. So first of all you have to write all the places given. Which are the places? Place value कौन कौन सी होती है? Ones, tens और hundreds, and after decimal it will start from 10. So first one is given 38.6. 38.6. So 8 is ones and 3 is tens and 6 is tens. So in place of ones write here 8, in place of tens write here 3. अब यहाँ पर 100 का कोई सा नंबर है ही नहीं, तो यहाँ में क्या लिखना है? सिर्फ 0. और टेंथ after decimal, which is the number 6, so you have to write at the place of 10th one. Then 0.7. Before that, in 0.7 you can see that 0 ones, tens, 100 is not given, it means 0, and after decimal 7 is given, so write here in place of 10. Same here in 10.6. So ones and tens. So ones is 0, tens place is 10, and there is no any 100, so here will be 0 only. And after decimal, which is the number given? Given here 6, so write here 6. Same the next one, 349.5. It is ones, tens, 100, and it is 10. So in ones write here 9, at place of tens 4, and place of 100 3, and after decimal 5. Like this we have solved all the questions. Then see question number 3rd. Write each of the following as decimal. It is given in word or in statement, and you have to first change into number and represent by decimal. Decimal means which contain point. So 9 tenth, हमें पता है टेंथ का मतलब क्या होता है? 1/10. यहाँ पर क्या दिया है? 9 tenth. 9 tenth means 9/10. After writing this you have to change into decimal point. Here how many zeros are given? 1 0. So from the back you have to put the decimal after one number. So it can be written as 0.9. Second one, 3 tens. 3 tens. Tens means 10. 3 10 means 3 10 plus 8 10 means 8/10. So 3 10 means 3 multiply 10, 30, plus 8/10 we can write it as 0.8. After this you have to add this 30 plus 0.8. 30 means 30.0. 0.8, so it can be written as 30.8. Only you have to write according to the place value given. Then third one given 14.6. It is given directly. 14 means 1 4, point means you have to put the decimal point, and 6, so 14.6. Next one 204 ones. 200 means 200, and means plus 4 ones. 4 ones means 4 into 1. So 4. So 200 plus 4. Here no any point is given, so we can write it as 204.0 or simply as 204. Like this you have to solve the remaining question which is given you as a homework. Then see question number 4. Write each of the following is decimal. Now it is given in fraction and we have to change into which decimal point. It means point should be there. So 9 by 10. We have already seen here 1 0 is given, so we have to put the decimal after one number from the back. So 0.9. See then second one also 4 plus 8 by 10. 4 8 by 10 can be written as 0.8. If we add it will be as 4.8 only. Then 99 by 10. Here also again you can see only 1 0. It means पीछे से हमें कितने नंबर के बाद पॉइंट लगाना है? ओनली आफ्टर वन नंबर. सो 9 हो गया एक नंबर, सो 9.9. So this will be the decimal representation of any fractional number. If 1 0 is given, you have to put the decimal after one number only. Then 7 by 2. This one also you have to change into decimal. फॉर डेसिमल में चेंज करने के लिए डायरेक्टली हमें क्या चाहिए? टेंस, 100 और 0, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर जिसमें 0 हो. लेकिन यहाँ पर 0 तो दिया नहीं है, तो हम इसको किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं? 10 में. सो बाय विच नंबर मल्टीप्लाई? यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो 2 5 are 10. So multiply by 5 in numerator also. 7 5 are 35. Now 35 by 10, it can be written as 3.5. Then 2 by 5. Already we have seen that there are two type of method. If we don't want to change the denominator into 10, it means directly divide the numerator by denominator. So it means you have to divide 5 by the 2 by 5. Here 2 is given, so we'll put 0. It means you have to put the decimal point. So 5 4s are 20. It means answer is 0.4. Directly we have done. और if you want to change into denominator with 10, तो denominator को 10 में change करेंगे तो कितना multiply करने पड़ेगा? 2 से. So 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 0.4. So you can solve this type of question by any of the method as you like here. Then see the last question. Question number 5. Write the following decimal as fraction. Reduce the fraction to lowest form. Here you can see that it is given a decimal point and we have to change into fraction. Fraction means which have both numerator and denominator. And after changing, you have to change it to lowest form. Lowest form means into smallest number. So first 0.8. Already we have seen after decimal how many numbers are given? Only one. So it means we can write it as 8 upon 10. Reduce into lowest term. This is fraction. Lowest term means we have to cut into which number? Small number. So we know that 8 and 10 both are even number and both are divisible by 2. But how many times? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. हमें दोनों नंबर को न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को ऐसे नंबर से कट करना है जो सिर्फ एक ही टेबल से डिवाइड हो. मतलब 8 और 10 दोनों 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, इसलिए हमने किससे डिवाइड करा इसे? 8 और 10 को 4 बाई 2 से. तो 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 8 by 10 ऐसे नहीं करना है जैसे 8 4 से भी हो जाता है, लेकिन 10 4 से नहीं होता, इसलिए हम 4 के टेबल से इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. या फिर 10 5 के टेबल से डिवाइड हो सकता है, लेकिन 8 5 के टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए हमें एक सिर्फ ऐसा कॉमन नंबर लेना है जो 8 और 10 दोनों को डिवाइड कर सके. तो कौन सा नंबर है वो? 2. सो 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 4 by 5. So 8 by 10 is a fractional form and 4 by 5 is the simplest or the lowest form. Like this second one, 2.5. Here also you can see after decimal how many numbers are there? Only one. So 25 by 10. Now you can see 25 by 10. Both are divisible by 5 only. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So it can be written as 5 by 2. Then 3.0. Simply a 0.0. There is no any meaning of a decimal 0 after the decimal point. So 3.0 means 3 only. So right here 3. Same you have to solve fourth one. Then fifth one, 13.7. As 13.7 after decimal only one number is given, it means you have to put how many zeros? Only single zero. So 137 by 10. And 137 by 10 is the lowest form. It means we cannot cut this 137 by 10 into smallest number. इसका मतलब ये है कि 130 by 7 7/10 को हम और भी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में कट नहीं कर सकते. So that will be the final answer. So like this you have to solve all the homework question which I had given in all the 5 questions. So I hope you all have understood today's class. So we'll see the next questions of this exercise on the next day of our class.